So it is about the book The Sizer 2. In this book, Nice Nato, Guprantre Bia Kelka Ver E Grillo. So in this video, I'm going to say about this lesson and the solving these questions. So we will get back to the my my studying version. So here it is Nice Method. Nice Method Gastronomy. Okay. Guprantre Bia Kelka Ver E Grillo. Depuis cette semaine, since this week. So it is a phrase, it is a very useful phrase, I can say, when you are writing the production écrite and all. So depuis cette année. So depuis cette année, you can use it for many things to when you are writing for a production écrite in the TELF exam. So depuis cette année, le chef Etoi du restaurant Aphrodite Anise. So the starred chef Etoi star, the chef of the Aphrodite restaurant is David for propose un nuovo menu alternative food à la carte. Petit pois carré et vert de farine, foie gras poêlé, gras poêlé, et son croustillant de grillon au sarrasin ou encore sondé de cabillaud pané à la poudre de beurre. So, in this, I want to show you what are all the difficult words here. So, he is saying that petit pois carré. So, I want to mark it in little bit different color. So, it is purple color. Petit pois carré. Petit pois carré is small square piece. Small square piece, which I want to bold it in black. Or else I can go for another color blue for the small square piece. And here you can see Berg the Ferrin. Berg the Ferrin. Somewhat disgusting, but it's okay. It is an alternative food therapy, so we all have to welcome this. Berg the Ferrin is mealworms, and the foie gras pole is pan fried foie gras. So it is something I don't know about this grass name, as though I'm a biology student earlier. I don't know about this foie gras. So it is so croustillant. Croustillant is crispy. So this is very much interesting word for me. Croustillant. Croustillant is crispy, but again the grillon cricket. So the crispy cricket. Okay, crispy cricket insect. O sarrasin with the buckwheat. O sarrasin is nothing but with the buckwheat. Or encore son de cabillo de pena, or it's caught back breaded with warm powder. So the poudre de ver. So poudre de ver is warm powder. Okay, anyway, it is somewhat a kind of disgusting, but it's okay. We have to welcome the new things, even though it is not affecting our health. So, so the chef is explaining this. So, regarde et écoutez ces documents. So, in this document also, I have taken the transcription of it. Leo, allô, Marc, salut, Leo, c'est moi. Ah, Marc, de retour en Nice. Alors, ces vacances, c'était bien. Oui, super, raconte. Ben, appartement à bébé, près du lac Lemo, tous les soirs, on se promenait le long du lac. C'est vraiment joli. Tu as reçu mes photos? Oui, c'est rigolo la fourchette dans l'eau. En fait, c'est un phase de l'alimentation, la musique d'alimentation. Tu l'as visité? Oui, je suis allée voir l'expo. Collectionnez-moi, c'était bien, plein de collections d'objets souvent liés à la nourriture. D'ailleurs, on pourrait aller au restaurant Aphrodite. Ils y parlaient beaucoup dans la presse. Tu connais? Non, c'est quoi? C'est un chef étoile. David Farki propose des plats avec des insectes, ça te dit? Mais pourquoi pas? Si tu veux, je réserve pour demain soir. Comme ça, tu me raconteras tes vacances. Demain, ok. Ah, banker. I'm back. Back to Nice. So was this vacation good? Mark, yeah, great. Leo, Leo, tell me. Well, we had an apartment in Vevey near Lake Geneva. Every evening we walked along the lake. It's really pretty. Have you received my photos? Leo, yeah, it's funny. The folk in the water. Actually, it's in the front of the alimentarium, the food museum. Did you visit it? Yes, I went to collect me exhibition. It was good. Lots of collections of items often related to food. Hey, by the way, we could go to the restaurant Aphrodite. They talk about it a lot in the press. No, what is it? A Michelin starred chef, David Four, offers dishes with insects. Would you like to? Mark, well, why not? Well, why not? If you want, I'll reserve for tomorrow night. Like that, you will tell me about your vacation. Tomorrow, okay, 8 p.m. So, in this, I think these are all the phrases. Si tu veux, je réservé pour demain soir. Comme ça, tu me raconterais tes vacances. So, comme ça, tu me raconterais tes vacances. So this thing is very important phrase when we are like production oral. This is very important. Ben pourquoi pas? Why not? Pourquoi pas? C'est un chef étoile. David Four qui propose the plat avec the insectes. Satadit. Satadit is would you like to? Satadit, would you like to? Satadit is also again a very useful phrase in production oral. Satadit, the year. So this word I want to tire is in order to improve your production écrite, you have to be uh, proficient enough to use these words. D'ailleurs, on pourrait aller au restaurant Aphrodite, ils en parlent beaucoup dans la presse. Tu connais? Non, non, c'est quoi? Collectiono movas, c'était bien. So these are all the phrases we can use in production oral. Production oral, playing the collection the objets souvent liés à la nourriture. Tu l'as visité. So here they have utilized the uh, indirect object IOD, so I can use a different color. I like this brown color, so I want to bold it. Tu la visité? La musique d'alimentation, de raconte, ave en partimo. Ave en partimo is past perfect. So this one also we can bold it. Ave en partimo. Ave en partimo is uh, we had an apartment, so it is past perfect. Avea partimo aveve près de lac Lemon tous les soirs every evening or say promenade. We walk to the long du lac. Les long du lac. Every evening we walked along the lake. So du lac is lake. Du lac lake. Du lac promenade. Promenade le long du lac. C'est vraiment joli. So vraiment joli is also a nice, beautiful word we can add in our production oral. And then tu as recu my photos. Did you receive did you receive? So it is past tense. The again it is used as indirect object, and we can use this as a way to so it is indirect object. I want to mention it as IO. Indirect object, and here also we have Raimo Apartimo Leo the Supertula Visite is also again an indirect object, IDO, and according to English I'm saying IDO. And Setebia is collectionio muva Setebia. These are all useful phrases we can use in the production écrite. This Tailleur and Avea Partimo and this other things we can use in the uh, Sate did. These are all the things we can use in the production écrite, and the situ va reservé pour des mâchoires, we can use it in the production oral. So I find this is useful, and so this is how I read.